UPnP, or Universal Plug and Play, is a network protocol that automates device discovery and port forwarding, simplifying connectivity. However, enabling UPnP on your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router can expose your network to security vulnerabilities. By default, Spectrum is increasingly disabling UPnP to mitigate risks, requiring users to manually enable it if needed. While convenient, enabling UPnP can allow unauthorized access if not properly monitored, potentially leading to exploits like botnet infections or unauthorized access to personal files. Weigh the convenience against the security risks before enabling. To enable or disable UPnP on your Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 router, access the router's admin panel by entering 192.168.1.1 in your web browser. Log in using the Spectrum-provided credentials, username, admin, and the password found on the router sticker. Navigate to Advanced Setup UPnP. Here you can toggle the Enable UPnP option on or off. After making your selection, save the changes and reboot the router if prompted. Alternatively, you can use the My Spectrum app, link your account, and access router settings to remotely toggle UPnP. Keep in mind that disabling UPnP may require manual port forwarding for certain applications like gaming or VoIP.